12 po ay nakapagtala na higit 104,000 confirmed COVID-19 case sa bansang Qatar dahil sa araw-araw na nadadagdag na kaso ng sakit na naitatala sa bansa. Kumustahin po natin ang lagay ng mga overseas Filipino migrant workers sa Qatar. Makakausap po natin si Ambassador Alan Timbayan. Magandang umaga po mula sa Pilipinas, Ambassador.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Secretary Martin Andanar, Artiusek Rocky Ignacio. Greetings from the Philippine Embassy in Doha, Qatar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Opo, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay niyo ng panahon at oras sa Ambassador. Although meron na nga pong more than 100,000 COVID cases sa Qatar, ay bahagya naman po nagkaroon ng ease of restriction sa bansa simula noong July 1st, kung saan po nagkaroon na rin ng partial domestic reopening ng ilang establishments. Sa ngayon po, how is the general atmosphere in Qatar? Yung pong strict health protocols, nakalatag pa rin po ba talaga ng mahigpit?
As of July 12, 2020 po, the total number of affected persons since the start of the pandemic is 103,596. The total number of people tested is 412,602. And then total recovery of patients po is 99,703. Deaths 147. People currently under acute hospital care is 636, and then people currently in the intensive care unit is 140 po. Early detections of health Qatar maintain below COVID-19 mortality rate in the world po as of today.
Opo, Ambassador, pero kumusta po yung ating Filipino community dyan? Meron po ba tayong recorded case ng COVID-19 sa ating mga kababayan?
So far po, ang recorded cases of, we have already 15 recorded COVID cases of Filipinos here in Qatar. We have already repatriated all the remains, but for 5, 3 of which are non-COVID, only 2 COVID cases are not being repatriated. We see to it that the next of kin is very well informed and condoled with po. And we also report to our Department of Foreign Affairs regarding this matter.
Opo. Ambassador, paano po ba yung sistema ng healthcare sa Qatar? Ano po yung lalo na doon sa mga infected people receiving medical assistance from the government regardless po doon sa kanilang nationality?
Ang ano po dito sa Qatar, they are more focused on distance contract tracing po. They are using this ATRAS app. ATRAS is it is an app wherein you download in your cell phone, and then when it appears there in the surface that it is green, that means to say you are healthy, and then you are free to enter any establishment here in Qatar. You are free to go around. Otherwise po, you will be, if you are gray, for instance, that means to say you have been tested positive in other colors. So this is one way to track the infection. They are more focused on testing the spread of coronavirus po.
Opo, Ambassador, paano po nakikipag-coordinate yung ating embahada sa pamahalaan ng Qatar para po masiguro yung safety at welfare ng ating mga kababayan dyan?
The embassy in Polo is continuously making representations with concerned authorities in Qatar, particularly the Ministry of Labor, the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Public Health, and the Ministry of Interior, as well as the Ministry of Labor po dito. All concerns concerning labor issues are being taken care of by Polo and the Philippine Embassy po, at ito po ay pinadala po namin sa sa Labor Minister for resolutions of their cases. In the case of mga Filipinos who are affected by coronavirus and who have symptom of coronavirus, they are po encouraged through the guidelines of the Ministry of Health, Public Health, to call hotline 1600. Instantly po, kung natanggap yun, they will be attended to without delay po.
Opo.
And they are being taken to isolation centers and hospitals for treatment and recovery as the case may be.
Opo, Ambassador, meron po tayong kaibigan sa media, si Raymond Tinasa. May tananggap po siyang sulat mula po sa mga OFWs na nagpapahingi po ng tulong sa inyo tungkol po nung sa repatriation daw po noong July 9 ay nasa higit 300 overseas Filipinos ang napauwi na nga sa Pilipinas mula po sa Qatar. Pero marami pa rin po tayo mga kababayan na nais makauwi sa Pilipinas. Marami daw pong OFW doon na 3 buwan nang walang trabaho at sahod. Karamihan din po sa kanila, expired na daw po yung mga ID at kanselado na ang visa. Nabigyan naman umano sila ng relief goods ng OWA at humingi ng tulong mula sa ating polo sa Doha. Pero sinabihan lang daw po umano sila na i-renew na ang kanilang mga dokumento. May paraan daw po kaya para mas mapabilis ang pagpapauwi sa kanila. Ano po kaya ang aksyon na magagawa natin para matulungan po sila?
Tungkol po doon sa mga OFWs natin na nag-expire ang kanilang resident permit or yung kanilang visa, we already made strong representations with the Ministry of Interior. We also wrote a note verbal to the Foreign Ministry. If possible, during their scheduled repatriation, they could be exempted and their fines and penalty corresponding to expired exit permit and would be waived by the authorities. In most cases po na we succeeded in doing, they are very cooperative in doing this. As a matter of fact, during the 3 chartered repatriations we had, nangyari po ito at nakauwi po sila. Wala pong abilidad na nangyari.
Opo, so bale, Ambassador...
So far po,
Go ahead, Ambassador.
So far po, regarding repatriation, we have already repatriated about 912 OFW with 6 infant po. This was done in May 20 and then June 20 and then the latest of which was June 8.
Opo, Ambassador, so...
We are still expecting. Okay.
Ambassador, so baling ilang OFW pa po yung inaasahan natin na mapapauwi sa tulong po ng pamahalaan o yung repatriation na ipinatutupad po ng pamahalaan mula po sa bansang Qatar?
So far po, mayroon kaming nasa 4,600 pa po ang nag-register sa amin sa embahada requesting for repatriation. But ang ginagawa po ngayon ng embahada is so far nakalinya na po aside from the 2 chartered repatriations sa July 12 at saka July 22, mayroon pa kaming ibang repatriation scheme po nagawa. Like for instance po yung Qatar ticket holders po na OFW, we are making representations for the repatriations with Qatar Airways po. And then po yung mga holders of Philippine ticket holders po naman, we are already in talks with PART to come and fetch them so that they can be repatriated po.
Opo.
Other than this, all the repatriation scheme are also being undertaken by the embassy in relations to with the host authorities here, especially the Ministry of Labor for the. In fact, we are in talks with the Ministry of Labor for possible mercy repatriation po at the expense of the Qatar government for our stranded OFWs. And we have been receiving positive response along this line po. Hopefully po, within the month of July, this will be realized po. We look forward to this po.
Opo. Ambassador, panghuli na lang po yung mensahe nyo sa ating mga kababayan na nandyan sa Qatar at paano po nila kayo maaaring makontak?
Ang mensahe ko po sa ating mga kababayan, the embassy is right here and it stands ready to assist you, especially on repatriation. The embassy is doing everything it can to address the clamor for repatriation. Talk with the host government, the concerned airlines and relevant agencies in Manila are ongoing. Let us be vigilant. Let us all follow the pronouncement of the Qatar regarding COVID-19, including the Ministry of Public Health. Please continue to also follow the Embassy Facebook page and relevant announcement advisory. Tungkol po doon sa hotline namin po, we can be contacted through our Facebook and we can also be contacted to telephone number 5527-5132 or 664-6303. Facebook page po and website, Philippine Embassy in Qatar.
Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panahon, Ambassador Alan Timbayan. Mabuhay po kayo, Ambassador.
Maraming salamat po naman sa inyo, Secretary Martin Andanar at saka Undersecretary Roque Ignacio for giving us this opportunity to our kababayan in Qatar through your program. Mabuhay po kayo.
Salamat po.